Have you tried a fat-burning drink? Okay, we all know that in order to burn fat, you have to eat a clean diet and be really active. But usually, in order to stick to a low-calorie, healthy diet, so much motivation is needed as well as some tricks to help control appetite. It takes some major motivation and oftentimes a few tricks to help you control your appetite. All in all, we are human and most of the time, just want to eat sandwiches and cookies. Willpower alone is not enough. Even so, I find that if I have a flavored drink that I can freely gulp on without any guilt, it distracts me from wanting a cocktail or bag of potato chips. I'm sure that you have heard that when you feel hungry, sometimes it's that you are really indeed just thirsty or bored. It is in fact true. And certainly, if you're going to be gulping on the water all day, you certainly might as well infuse it with these naturally low-calorie detox foods that are known to in fact flush your system of toxins, boost your metabolism, and improve your health. So basically, I decided one day to infuse a large pitcher of water with some of the most commonly known detox foods, and so the experimenting began. This one is my favorite because it's almost like drinking a meal, but also because it's low in calories and high in nutrition. It's also very refreshing and makes it so easy to stay hydrated throughout the day. It's so quick and super simple to put this all together. Plus, after you make a batch, you're all set for several days of sipping on detox water. Step-by-step instructions to make a fat-burning detox drink. First, cut your fruit. You can certainly cut the pieces as big or as little as you would like. But keep in mind, the smaller you cut your pineapples, cucumbers, and lemon, the more chance you are going to accidentally suck them up in the straw when you take a sip. Furthermore, if you want to have a pineapple or cucumber snack while drinking, you should keep the pieces a little bit bigger. Secondly, you add your water. In addition to the important nutritional fruits, herbs, and veggies you are adding to this drink, make sure the water you add gives you equally important vitamins. Mineral water such as Fiji artesian water is my favorite. But any water that contains natural minerals is a great choice for the base of this infused water detox drink. Surprisingly, this water recipe tastes so great I would truly choose it over any fruit drinks whenever I have the chance. Although this drink doesn't contain added sugar, it has significant flavor. Meanwhile, who else has a snack included with your drink? So, it's a win-win. Ingredients: 2 organic lemons, organic cucumber, 1 large or 2 small, 1 cup chopped fresh or frozen pineapple, organic if you can find it, handful of organic mint leaves, 1 large chunk of ginger peeled, 2 to 4 tablespoons organic 100% aloe vera juice, approximately 12 cup filtered water. Instructions: after washing, slice the lemons and cucumber into disc and add them to a large pitcher. I use a 3-quart pitcher. Next, cut a large chunk of peeled ginger about the size of a chapstick tube into 3 to 5 pieces and muddle. Add it to the pitcher followed by the rest of the ingredients. Then, fill the pitcher to the top with filtered water and let it infuse for at least 4 hours in the refrigerator overnight. Don't forget to drink throughout the day as much as you would like because the fat-burning effect lasts all day. I prefer to pour mine over ice. Feel free to nibble on some of the fresh fruit and veggies too. The pitcher usually lasts me for a couple of days. These are just guidelines. Before making any changes to your health, lifestyle, and diet, please consult with your medical doctor first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we shall see you in the next video.